Hello everyone. Anyone who has been following me on this channel will know that I'm a good preacher of Foundry. However, Foundry can be a bit annoying when you are working with dependencies. And it gets more frustrating as an auditor because you won't even know the version of a dependency to install, and that will cause a lot of conflict. For those who are trying to write POCs, this ends up taking a lot of their time unnecessarily. And that is why the best thing to do as a smart contract developer is to use Foundry templates that use modules. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the PaulRBerg Foundry template, which already has a lot of for you to leverage. Let's quickly jump over the doc together. So as you can see, what's inside, it has Forge, it has Forge STD for writing tests, it has Prettier for formatting code, and it has Solint to link your Solidity code. How do you get started? You can simply say Forge init. This is more like you cloning the repo. Then these are some defaults that are already there. Remappings, founded on Tommy. Pretty much everything you need to get going is here. Then VS Code integrations. This is what I'm particular about. This is what interests me the most about this template, working with dependencies. As you can see, everything is very smooth. All you need to do is to install Bun. Some others will require you to use npm, but primarily PaulRBerg requires you to use Bun. And once you install Bun, you can install the repo however way. Then you can write your test and everything will go very well. All right, let's jump straight to the code and see how this works in real time. You can simply copy this and go to your terminal. Simply come here and paste it. Might take a couple of minutes. Yeah, and that's it. We are done. So let's change our directory to the my projects. Okay. This is the my projects. As you can see, let's play around with some things there and check it out. Okay, full.so. Let's try to maybe import. And for you to know, OpenZiplin is already pre-installed. As you can see here, it's even configured in terms of remapping. So this is how you remap stuff with the PaulRBerg templates. As you can see, Forge STD is already remapped. This makes everything quite easy for you, as you can simply just run your Forge test and everything will go very well because everything is already configured. And you can simply come to your terminal and try to install Solady or any other stuff you want to install. So you can simply say bun install Solady. It's running. As you can see, it's done. How do you configure it? You can simply come here. As you can see from the documentation, the way you configure it is by saying the dependency name, then say modules slash dependency name. Let's go ahead to implement that. So you can come back to your VS Code and simply run it by saying the module name, not the modules, the module name again. Now, these are dependencies that are already on npm. What if it's the case that you want to install something that is not already in the npm directory? You can simply say burn install, then copy the GitHub repo of the dependency and just put it here, more like you are cloning it in a way. And with that, you can, after doing that, come here to remap. You can use it in your contracts. You can import, for example, now in OpenZeppelin, you can import Enable, you can in Solady, you can import ERC20 and configure it accordingly and just use your contract. This way, anyone who wants to inherit who wants to work on your contract will simply, clone the repo, run burn install, and everything is working perfectly. I'm very sure you have learned something as a smart contract developer or as a smart contract auditor. If you really gained from this video, I'll encourage you to subscribe and watch out some of my other videos. Thank you.